and they name it ficus. So that's the name of the tree. So initially, there was a big tree at the inside here, and this tree grew around it and they killed it. So after the death of the tree, who was left inside? And if you know how to climb, you can just do it as others are doing.
Oh my goodness! Oh, look! It's naturally like this.
Yeah, so there was a big tree at the inside here, and this one grew around it and then killed it.
Wow.
So after the death of the tree, who was left inside?
Wow.
So if you know how to climb, you can easily use it to top as others have been doing it.
Wow, that's amazing.
So you can either climb from the back or the inside.
I'm sorry. I'm crazy. I said y'all crazy.
I'm going to try to go up. To go up.
Yeah, that's what I said. You guys are beautiful.
Can I go?
If anybody get hurt, hope y'all read y'all survival handbook. Okay, come on down carefully now.
Look at the inside. It's nice.
This is nice. I love this.
Is it nice?
Yeah, take a look at the inside.
I would definitely like a tree house like that.
That would be.
I have pictures inside trees. Yeah, I can see you have my passion.
Show me your face, Natasha.
You got company coming?
We got some company helping us.
Yes, that's my friend. I invited him outside for money. Oh, yeah, that'd be good.
So, what's the view like up there?
It's great. It's actually great. The people are looking so good.
He laughed at my thing. You did good.
Yeah, take a picture of us from up there.
Thank you. Hey, somebody got their pocketbook and that monkey going around with it.
Right.
Tree somewhere.
You're perfect.
On the ground here.
I think you good, because they might catch it, they might catch that.
Are you coming down?
Derek, this is not class.
Then it's my fault.
That's good.
No.
Oh, that was easy.
Good job, Dad.
Derek, come. You didn't do well.
Oh, she said, oh, well. Are you glad you came? How are you?
Not the sound.
Come to the water.
Said it focused the call.
Turn this away.